sorry.
Topaz, about Scrapper 142. What do I always say? She is the, and it starts with a B.
Trash.
No,
In here,
not
I'm
trash.
made of rocks, as you can see, but don't let that intimidate you. You don't need to be afraid unless you're made of scissors. Just a little rock, paper, scissors joke for you.
Wow, okay. I know exactly where he is.
I swear I left him right here.
I have been falling for 30 minutes.
Get help! Please! My brother's dying! Get help! Help him! Oh, classic.
Still hate it. Hit it with a lightning blast.
I just hit it with the biggest lightning blast in the history of lightning. It did nothing.
The damage is not too bad. As long as the foundations are still strong, we can rebuild this place. Now those foundations are gone.
Tony and the Gypsy.
No, you're not Tony. You're Bruce Banner.
Then why did you dress me up like Tony?
Because you were naked.
Okay, I'll give you that.
What do you say? Uncharted metagalactic travel through a volatile cosmic gateway. Talk about an adventure.
We need a ship.
So much hair and blood all over this. Guys, can you clean up the weapons once you've finished your fight? Disgusting slobs. Oh, Thor. Want to use a quick...
Ow. Just had to be sure.
Pat on the back. Pat on the back. Come on. No? Me too, because I've been a big part of it. Can't have a revolution without somebody to overthrow. So